Welcome to our presentation on environment for real issue detection in Agile SDLC. In the dynamic world of software development, staying ahead of issues is not just beneficial, it's essential. This video explores how real-time detection environments are transforming the way Agile teams respond to software challenges. Traditional software development often identifies issues too late in the cycle, leading to delays, increased costs, and reduced quality. Real-time issue detection bridges the gap by instantly flagging problems as they arise, whether it's a bug in a code, a drop in performance, or a failed build. This enables team to adapt quickly, ensuring seamless delivery and improved user experience.
2022 study by McKinsey, organizations that implemented real-time issue detection reduced their bug resolution time by over 60%. Another report states that agile teams with real-time monitoring experience 30% fewer post-deployment failures. A survey of 500 agile teams found that nearly 72% of respondents consider real-time feedback as the most valuable part of their DevOps pipeline. What's more, integrating issue detection environments has led to a 25% increase in team productivity and a 40% reduction in technical debt over time.
Eco-friendly software development plays a big role in sustainability. Agile SDLC, combined with continuous integration tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, ensures real-time error detection, preventing from major rework and saving energy and computing resources. In digital age, sustainability in software and hardware is crucial. One key approach to reducing e-waste is early bug detection. Frequent system crashes and overheating shorten hardware lifespan, leading to unnecessary replacements. By using automated testing tools like Selenium, companies can detect and fix their software issues early, preventing premature hardware failures. For example, companies like Infosys use predictive maintenance to extend IT infrastructure. TCS is one of the major examples of eco-friendly software development. TCS has implemented AI-driven quality checks and reduced rework rates by 30%, therefore cutting energy consumption. By adopting all sustainable ideas, we can create a more sustainable digital world.
By prioritizing sustainability, organizations can reduce their carbon footprints by maintaining efficiency, scalability, and innovation in software development. In agile development, real-time cloud monitoring and green computing helps optimize code execution, reduce redundant processes, and promote eco-friendly development. By integrating sustainability into software development, organizations can build high-performance applications while reducing their environmental impact. Sustainable IT practices in Agile SDLC emphasize cloud monitoring and green computing to reduce environmental impact. Cloud monitoring ensures efficient resource allocation, minimizing energy wastage and carbon emissions. Green computing promotes energy-efficient hardware, optimized algorithms, and eco-friendly data centers. By integrating these practices, organizations can enhance sustainability while maintaining system performance and scalability.